Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. Myself Arjun and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a lampshade lighting. A lampshade is usually seen as a decorative element, but it helps to reduce the glare from the light and protects your eyes. Also with no shade, the light will go out equally in all directions. So a lampshade will help in redirecting the light from the bulb. As you can see in the picture, the light falls only towards one direction. Yeah, while the lampshades are made from various materials like fabric, plastic, glass, paper, or whatever, the most common materials are fabrics like linen or cotton or even silk. Yeah. Okay, coming to the point, we are going to create a lampshade lighting. Okay, at first you have to open 3ds Max and make sure that you have installed V-Ray in it and load your V-Ray render settings and all. So let's start. Uh, before, as I said before, like I'm going to make a lampshade material. I have said this 2-3 times, so let's do it. But before making a lampshade object, we need a lamp. So you can download n number of lamps from internet, and that will be much more easier and effortless. But if you really want to know how to create a lamp, I will show you how to create a very basic lamp. I don't want my videos to be very long because what I believe is like everybody is lazy like me. So you won't be sitting on your PC and just seeing all this stuff, which is sometimes boring. And I too have to do very long videos, which will be actually boring for me also. So let's have this adjustment. I will make a very basic lamp for now. You have to go to the standard primitives option, object type, create a cylinder. Okay, and yeah, if you click this button, this selected viewport will be maximized. Okay, and here I'm just changing the radius to 5 centimeter. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you what I'm going to make. This is going to be the base of the lamp. Okay, and the height I'm going to change to 1. Okay, this is fine. I'm just changing the x and y axis to 0. It is not necessary to change x and y to 0, but here I'm just making it. Okay, so the base is ready. Now we have to design the pole of the lamp. Yeah, for that will also be in a cylindrical shape. So press your shift and drag towards the z axis. Okay, select copy and click OK. I am going to change this to 0.5. That will be fine, and the height will be like, okay, let's give 30. Okay, for this cylinder I have given the height as 1 centimeter, and this pole has to be fixed on the first cylinder, right? So I'm just changing the z-axis value to 1, so this will be sitting exactly over this. Okay, I feel that this 30 is a bit big number, so we'll reduce it to 20. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so I need one more cylinder to make it as a lamp covering, or what you say as the lampshade. Yeah, select this one or this one, everything is fine. And previously what I did is I just press the shift button and dragged it to the z-axis, right? And let's do it in the other way. Just press Ctrl and V together. That will opens up the clone options. Here press copy and just click OK. Okay, and move it towards this part. You have to change the height to 10 will be fine. Yeah, 10 centimeter, and the radius I'm giving 10. Okay, see, as you can see in this image, the top radius and the base radius of the lampshade is different, and that's why it looks like a half cut cone, right? uh, if you want this shape, that is also fine. Select this option and go to the modifier taper. The amount, if you go to the minus value, it will be like this. If you increase, it will look like this. You can do it like this, and if you want a curve, you can do the curve like this. So it will work like this also. That's fine. Okay. So you can change in any shapes you want. Okay. But now I'm going to make it very simple. Okay. Okay. So this part is done. Okay. Now let's move to the next level. We are going to apply materials to this object. Okay. Open the material slot, and this one is going to be the steel object. So select and apply texture on it. Change the standard to V-Ray material. Okay. I'm just making a chrome or steel material. This is all up to you. If you want to create wood material, that is fine for you. If you want to create steel, that's fine. Chrome or gold, whatever material, you can change it. The main focus is on this part. Okay, so yeah, that part is done. And one more thing, if you notice, see this uh, cylinder is a closed one, and we are going to make a lampshade where the light falls from top to the bottom. So this part has to be open. Right click, convert to editable poly or mesh, everything is fine. Select the polygon and click delete it. That's fine. Okay. So now we have to change this object to a lampshade. Select another slot. Apply this material here. In the first case, what we did, we changed this to V-Ray material, but here we're going to change to V-Ray two-sided material. Okay, click this. Okay, and here you will get a replace material option, where if you want to keep this old material as a sub material, means that will not go from the slot, you can choose this option. Or if you want to completely delete or discard the old material and create it as a new one, you can choose the first option. I'm going to choose the first option. Yeah. Okay. You can click here and change the translucency to white. Okay. Here you can see a front material which is empty now. You can click here and apply a V-Ray material in it. Always remember, first you have to change it to V-Ray two-sided material. Later, in the front material option, load the V-Ray material. Fine. And let's keep it as it is. No need to do anything. Okay. Yep. I am minimizing all these things. Now let's create a V-Ray light. The lights, change this to V-Ray light. Auto grid on to create it over it. Now let's render and see what happens. See, now this is a completely open space, right? I'm going to create a box which is very, very, very big. Yeah. 3000 and 3000 and 3000. Yes. And as you can see, this doesn't have a thickness. That's why the inner part is showing as black in color. uh, we can uh, we can add thickness by applying the modifier called shell. Yes, now it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna create a material for this box also. Okay, let's go here, select, change to Vray material. Just keep it like that, it's fine. Okay, now just render and see how it looks like. As we know, we have kept a Vray light here, right? Okay, just rendering. See what happens now. We can just see something which is not at all clear for you, right? See, here I have given the Vray light from this part, and that's the reason it is showing only this area of the lampshade or the big cylinder. So here we have to change few settings to make it completely clear. I'll show you what. Select the Vray light, make it little bit up, and change the plane to sphere. That means the light will emit uniformly towards all directions. Okay, fine. I'm changing this color to something like this, not exactly white. Okay, let's see how it looks like. See, here you can see the emitter, which is the lampshade, and the light is redirecting and it's falling here, only this part, right? Okay, so here if you see, the light emitter is like a very blank and plain object. It doesn't look like fabric or anything. Let's change few more parameters and we'll reduce the size of this Vray light and make it like this, scale it this way. Okay, fine. Now let's render and see how it is. Sorry, I did not change the thing. Let's render it and see. Fine, looks pretty decent. Okay. Yeah. So here I haven't given any texture. Go to this two-sided material and see, you know that first we have changed this to two-sided material, and here in the front material we have added a Vray material again. Click on this option and add a bitmap. Any texture like the fabric texture or whichever material you want to create, what material you want to create, you can use that texture. Okay, I'm gonna here okay, I just uploaded fabric material. Like here you can apply UVW map or map scaler to scale it. Okay, now let's render and see how it looks like. So you can see this, it looks like there is a fabric texture here and the light is coming from inside. So if you want to change the shape of this light, that is also fine. You can just scale it towards z-axis, and then you can add the modifier which I said before called taper. See, if you raise this thing upside like Yeah, if you keep it like this and render, the glow will be more here. It looks like the light is here, and here all the fall off is coming and the shade is coming. Okay, so in this way you can keep it and render it. See, if you want to change the color of the lampshade, say if you want to make it reddish color, see, you can change it to any color. Okay, yeah, I hope you guys understood. So guys, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you don't like, feel free to dislike and also let me know how can I improve. Okay then, we'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. God bless you all.